I just finished this wonderful vintage Reuge double singing bird cage. The absolutely gorgeous condition. The birds retain their original feathers, and they are also outstanding, highly vivid, with a lot of colors. So I fully serviced the mechanism. Let's hear it play. We'll start off on the pause feature. Has an incredibly long pause, indicating that the bellows are absolutely perfect. The birds sing with full voice, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. I'm going to switch it to continuous. In summary, a Reuge double singing bird cage in immaculate condition that's been fully serviced and is ready for the new owner. I'll turn it off as such. Take care.